Germarel Power.
Okay, now as Germarel GmbH, we will show you and I will teach you and inform you how to choose a frequency converter. Okay, so for the frequency converters, like we have, this is a 20 feet high cube container. We have also 40 feet high cube containers, 20 feet normal container, or 10 feet container. So in this solution, this is a 20 feet high cube container because it has only one piece of 1000 kVA 720 kilowatt with electrical distribution board inside with air conditioners. So we will show you also around. So now if you see, like we are cooling all the containers, the seaside, with air conditioner, okay, industrial air conditioner. And this is the cable input. There is the cable input. We will show you from other side. So the cable from here, this is the input side. It comes from shore, 380 volt or 400 volt, and goes to the converter, and we convert in the frequency converter 440 volt or 460, 480, 575, 600 or 690 volt. We convert. Depends on the vessel where it's produced. The vessel's need changes. Also for USA, we are selling frequency converters that input is 480 volt 60 hertz, output is 400 volt because they are receiving from Europe to their harbors, European vessels. So this is our supply. This is the harbor supply that our cable comes, and again there is another protection here, supplies to the vessel. They will have more here for different vessels. And here is the cable entry and output. Like cable entry and output, we have special protection against like animals and dust and rain, also like for carriage protection. So while you are choosing a container, you have to be sure that the containers can be carried by vessels. Then price is a little bit more, but you can carry all the container via carriage vessels all around the world. This is important because the other containers without this certification of the seaway carriage, this can create a problem in the future if you wanna travel. So now we will go inside the container. So now the frequency converter works. I will make it a little bit closer because inside is so wide. Okay, now this is our electrical distribution board. It means we have here input circuit breakers, like I will show you, which is also produced for the vessel, especially for the marines, like special coated. It means this cannot be rusted nearly 25 years. And we are using the good quality of circuit breakers. This is input, you charge, and then we have also here like indicator circuit breakers as well. And this is the output side. Like from here, we receive the cable and then it goes to converter, converts it, and then comes here. Whenever you energize this, like here we have for the air conditioners, for the sockets, for circuit breakers, etc. For the lights, outer light, inner light, and everything. So I want to show you also the cabling. Cabling in the back side, you see how the cable enters. Like exactly, there is the cable entry, and then how do you do the cabling? Now we go to frequency converter. All the cabling has been done. We have the special electrically isolated carpets. This is the frequency converter. Now we come, which works with 10% load. Okay, like status, you see 50 hertz, 380 volt, and output is 440 volt and 100 ampere. It's for the vessel. And here we have 4 air conditioners when this machine fully on work. So this needs to be cold also in the summertime. So here we have the controller. We have emergency lights for any kind of emergency if there is no electricity. And we have like a fire extinguisher, and it's easy to escape and come to the system. So the lights are here, and this is, you see, while you carry, it must be against any kind of vibration or like bending or whatever. This is a special that you can make it hard or softer. So this is our frequency converter. So while you are choosing a frequency converter, you have to be knowing that what is your vessel's need, what is your vessel's power need, voltage need, and frequency need. We also produce 400 Hz supply for different vessels, their radar systems, and so on. So in this case, if you tell us, or your provider, your producer, what is the needed voltage, what is the needed frequency, and we design the converter exactly for you. We are also like, these are the newest technology. We have also old technologies. For some of our clients say they want old transformer technology. We have also solutions for this, 6 pulse, 12 pulse, 18 pulse, 24 pulse as well. But this one's like IGBT rectifier, means 16 kilohertz to create like a AC and DC. So we are driving like one of the best frequency converters all around the world that is produced, and we are really supplying fast. Depends on the production line. It can go like 4 weeks till 16 weeks for all this to create and produce. We have solutions from 1 kVA till 6000 kVA can be supplied all around the world, or any kind of certification or any kind of condition our machine can work. Also top of the mountain, 3000 meter, also seaside, also on the vessel, also on the petrol platforms. So we just know that what is your need mechanically, color, electrically, and outer conditions. Then we produce exactly what you need. For now, thank you, and have a nice day.
Germarel Power.